video, we'll see how to create a new user in AD. So for that, open the AD. Then over there, just right click on new, then click on user. Then here you have to fill some details like first name, last name, full name, and user login. So we'll just fill the details. So we have filled the details. That's my name and user login. Just try to match the naming convention of the company. So click on next, then put the password. So we'll just try welcome at one. Then you can click on password change so that user can change the password when they log in first time. And if you want to do a password never expire, then you can do it as well. But normally we don't do that. So click on finish. Then here you can go inside the user and fill the required details like the job title, department, and the phone number for the user. And if they want to be any group membership, then we have to add from here. And also you can go to the account and look for the following things, the account expiry date and everything. So this is how you can create the account in AD. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.